from £3 to 33p. The majority of them look fine. Really, really dry. We'll pop them in some water overnight and we'll see if we can save them. Yes, I'm just getting round to it. When did I get those bulbs? Weeks ago. But I did get these violas. I showed you in the little video clip, and I soaked them for a good couple of hours in some water, and look, every one of them has come back. And these are those strawberry runners that I've got, so we'll plant those up. And do you remember those sunflowers that I planted, that I grew from seed? Well, they've done nothing really, and they were knocked over when they were doing the guttering again, repairing the guttering that they'd already done. So I'm going to use that tub. I think there's some daffodil bulbs in there, so we'll have a dig down and see what we can find. So we've got some clumps of some bulbs. I'm not going to disturb those too much. Another one there. And a peanut. How random. I think that must be a squirrel. I have a lot of trouble with things digging in these tubs. That's why I have to put stones on the top. Just refresh this soil. We've got some nice leaf mould. Quite a lot of bulbs. I actually got a couple of these lovely variegated ivy. There's one that's grown quite large. Look, this ivy's grown lovely and big. So I thought we'd have that one for the centre. I really like that beautiful ivy. When you think about it, what's it cost me? 33p for all these. And I'll probably be using, what, 8 maybe? 9? The bulbs are some that are split, so those are free. The free tulip bulbs. There's 1 or 2 daffodil bulbs that I've just replanted that were down in the bottom, and I know I found those out on a walk somewhere when a squirrel or something had dug them up. So next to nothing, that's what we like. Frugal gardening. And a friend saw that video where I was at the garden centre actually getting those free bulbs, and she's given me, she saw that as little bags of stones that I was saying maybe they sold them, and they didn't, and she just bought some, so she gave me some stones, so I popped those on the top. These aren't the easiest things to get out of this plastic. Never mind. There we are, people. Rain stop play. I've just popped a couple in that tub there. Blueberry bushes. I've pruned them back a little bit because they've got some mildew on them. I'm sure something will be digging in that far along. 2 fig trees, cuttings, still alive and thriving. Little magic fig tree, losing its leaves now. Found a pot for that this year. Chilli plant, loads of chilies on that, and I've given quite a few away. On the vine, so to speak. Three violas, 3 strawberry runners. And over here, that pot's done. There's 2 more around the other side I've done, small ones. Lovely smell of peppermint as I've moved it. Yeah, everything's changing for autumn. Take care, people.